Hello, I've had a question about what do I mean by headings and subheadings. Well, here's an article I retrieved from the FHSU library. There's the title. That's all the introduction. Here's a heading. Here's a heading. Notice the other question was, again, where do I put the diagrams, tables? As in this article, you put them directly into the paper. Go down. Indentation, by the way, per APA. Another heading. Another heading. A heading, a subheading, a subheading, a subheading, a subheading, a subheading, all under the main heading of how does the proposed model help us focus on intercultural business communication. I trust this answers your questions.